Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. There's nothing better than a delicious dinner that you can wrap up in one package. It is so easy to put together, full of nutrition and flavor. So here comes perfect chicken in parchment with vegetables. Combine 600 grams of chicken, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground red pepper, and 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a shallow dish. Cover with cling film and place in the fridge to marinate for 1 to 2 hours. Meanwhile, cut the peeled carrots into small cubes. Slice off the very top of the red pepper and cut into halves. Then use a knife or your hands to remove any white fibers and all the seeds. Then dice the pepper into small pieces. Finally, peel the potato and cut into small cubes. Transfer marinated chicken into a hot skillet and saute over medium heat on each side until cooked through. Then add the shallots and stir. Add chopped carrots and potatoes too. Now add chopped red peppers and a cup of peas. Stir until well blended. Finally, add 2 or 3 cloves of garlic and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and give it a good stir. Add 120 ml of hot water and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it another quick stir, then remove from the heat. Place a sheet of parchment paper on your countertop and place the chicken and vegetables in the center of the parchment paper. Time to close up the packet. Fold the parchment paper on top of the chicken from the 2 edges. Fold the other edges of the paper together. Keep folding the paper over and over itself, pressing firmly as you roll to close tightly. Place the rectangular packet on the baking sheet. Place them upside down so you will have a flat surface. Repeat with the remaining packets. We had 5 packets by placing ingredients enough for 1 portion in each packet. Bake in the preheated oven to 180 degrees about 20 to 25 minutes. The parchment will puff and brown slightly. When their time's up, remove your individual meals from the oven and very carefully open the packets, watching out for the steam because it can burn. It is best served immediately when it's hot. You can serve with your favorite rice or pasta. I opened all of them to show you. If you want, you can place the packets directly on dinner plates and provide scissors so that your guests can snip open their own packets at the table. As you see, these parchment packets are so easy to make and make a beautiful presentation. I hope you give this recipe a try in your kitchen. If you like this recipe, let us know by commenting below and leaving a like. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.